Oh, I don't need a bird under my bed. Oh no. Just woke up like this. Oh my god. Izzy, bring the bird outside. I don't need that. Go. God, bah. Oh, just woke up like this. Oh, sorry, cat. That wasn't you. Oh, I need some coffee. That's not nice waking up this morning with a bird under your bed and get this. As if I wanted to catch the bird. I was just sleeping. So, make my own cappuccino with oat barista milk. This is a new one from Lima. Oh. And now I have to clean everything. The blood and the feathers. Oh. So my bed, underneath my bed is clean again. So I have more space now. But I want to clean my rug because the cat was peeing, you know. So I have my piss off. I'm pissed off spray that I'm going to use here. I feel good. I know that I would. Yeah, just joking. But this is the feel good coin. And yeah, it's all about feeling good these days. To stay in your own energy. And how do I do that? It's with this coin. It's a beautiful necklace and it's with the EMF health technology in it, like the EMF health card. And what this does, it creates this harmonic field around me, like 3 meters. So I stay in my high vibrations, so I can feel good. And what else? It stops the sugar craving. So if you are addicted to bread or sugar and you have cravings, then this helps to eliminate that need to eat sugar and to eat the whole roll of cookies. And it's a really a harmonizing accessory which you can carry with you all day, or you put it underneath your pillow if you go to sleep. So I would like to tell you more about this feel good coin, because I feel good. I know that I would.